Hi guys! So for today's video, kami ay team bahay because it's raining!
Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Kakatapos lang namin maligo sa ulan. Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to the mall. As usual, lagi na naman kami sa mall nagpupunta. So, malamig na dito kaya ganito ang aming outfit. Look at my husband.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Ay, Happy New Year.
It feels like 10 degrees Celsius.
But what's the weather?
What's the weather? It's 17?
16.
16. Can you please serve first the fries?
French fries.
I have small fries, small rice. 1 Coke, 1 water. Can you hi to my vlog?
Sorry?
Say hi.
Hi. Live?
Yeah, that's one.
Okay.
Ang taba, ang fat.
2 minutes! 2 minutes!
Ang fat. Paldo mo na, paldo mo na.
Happy New Year! We're here at the Net.
Yes.
The Ned. The Ned Club. Charot!
The Ned.
So, pasok na ang mga person. Pretty, right?
Dito kayo.
Come here.
Let's try.
Let's try, guys. hot
Let's
chocolate.
try it at 35 reals.
Yes.
Yummy. Oh my gosh, ang sarap.
Ang sarap, legit. Kaso lang, ang lamig nung cream, tapos ang init nung chocolate.
Pero okay sarap.
Masarap siya. Nabaso lang ako.
So legit yung init niya kahit
Oo.
nandun siya sa ano, no?
Alam mo, ay, kay Christmas naman itong
Feeling ko ano,
Sarap.
chocolate yung ginamit nila.
Sarap.
Chocolate, legit.
Ricoa. Sarap.
Hindi ko nga malasaan kung may coke na eh. Parang wala.
Chocolate lang siya. Dark.
Pure lang siya siguro.
Ano to? Hanoverian. Legit.
Sarap.
Good, good.
Sarap.
Kasi parang di.